Good morning, YouTubers. You see, I'm back out here in this little block of woods behind Miss Cindy's house. I'm just out here doing an overnighter. I ain't really trying to hunt or nothing either. I'm kind of doing a new gear episode. Testing out some new gear. Got me a new pre-soldier tarp here. I'm just trying out. Got me an underquilt for my hammock here. Yeah, new chair too. But yeah, got a nice little underquilt, which it ain't gonna get but like 40 degrees tonight, so I'm still gonna put it on here. It'll get a little cool, 39, 40 degrees. Of course, I got my big Coleman sleeping bag in there. Got some extra clothes in here for a pillow. It just set up real good. Got my old Coleman full of water. But yeah, that's the Free Soldier tarp. It's a 10 by 10 or 9.5 by 9.5. It's supposed to be a very good tarp, and I like it so far. Which it rained last night, but it's not gonna rain tonight. But I got another. That's like a 10 by 12. It's a Go Camp hammocks. It's got 19 tie-out points on it also. It's bigger than this, and I actually got it for my tent. I got a 5-man Coleman tent, and I got it to go over it because I got to put some seam seal on it before I use it. But I'll put that tarp over it. Got me a little case for my pellet gun, so I got it all with me. I'll probably just target shoot or something. I might shoot a squirrel, I don't know. But I bought this little old, it's also Chinese made. It's a pretty good little deal. 24 volt. Batteries are supposed to last about 30 minutes a piece. Cut a lot of wood in an hour. I got 2 batteries. It's got 2 spare chains with it. And I got my bar oil there. All the tools I need to tighten the thing up with. But I'm going to try that out here in a little bit. Get me enough wood for tonight. I got me some, of course I got all my junk strode out right now. I just got here and got set up. But yeah, I got me some country style ribs I'm going to cook tonight. Nice little camp set up here. Got some taters and onions. Cook on the fire tonight. I'm just going to do a little overnighter. Test out this gear. Speaking of new gear, I got a new Ford Explorer sitting over at Miss Cindy's. Got me something to throw all my gear in now and just take off whenever I want to. So, all right. I forgot to show y'all my truck when I was at camp yesterday. 2002 Ford Explorer. Got plenty of room to throw all my gear in there, but I forgot to show it to you yesterday. Nice old truck, brand new transmission, rebuilt motor in it not too long ago. Brakes all around, new alternator, brand new battery. Got a great deal on it. Could not pass it up. So yeah, more new gear to try out, and it runs great. Maybe I'll be going to some new places here pretty soon. But I love this little block of woods here. It's all hardwood except for that one pine tree right there. It's nice. Got a lot of dead standing oak in here. I'm gonna go cut because it rained all night last night. But it's clearing out today. It ain't gonna rain tonight or nothing, so I ain't worried about nothing getting wet really. So yeah, y'all hang around. I'll break out that saw here in a minute and go to sawing up some wood and get camp ready here. I'm gonna try out that new chair. Yeah, buddy. Pretty good little stack of wood in no time. Alright. Alright. Oh yeah, I believe I got enough for tonight. I'm gonna go get me some smaller stuff just to get everything started. That's some good dry wood, dead standing stuff I cut down, cut up. I did have to change my battery, but it's still good and strong. I might get one more just for the fun of it. It's pretty fun getting all that wood cut up. Probably about 30 minutes. I sat down and chilled out for a few minutes. Yeah, I charged those batteries up right when I bought this thing, and that was about 2 months ago, and I didn't top them off before I come out, so that one battery didn't last real long time. Maybe that's all it was, but shoot, I still got plenty of power in this second battery. I just put it on, just cut up a few of them, so it lasted a pretty good while. I think I got plenty of wood just for one night. Well folks, that old sun is just about to set. It's 4:45, it's supposed to set at 4:50. I'm fixing to get this fire going. And I've got a big old pile of wood. I'm good to go. I've had these old country style ribs. They've been marinating for a couple hours now. I got some taters, onions, a little butter there to cook them in. I got some beanies and weenies, but I might eat them tomorrow or something. But hey, I'm fixing to get this thing going and cook up some grub here in probably an hour or two. Let a good bait of coals get up there. I've been watching a couple of little squirrels playing around. I ain't shot at none. I'm just letting them play. They ain't coming around very much because I've been all out in them woods dragging up wood and stuff. So they're not stirring around very much anyway. Alright, y'all hang around. Let's eat something. Get this fire going good. In a couple hours, I have a good bed of coals. Start cooking. That old sun has went down. Still a little bit of daylight. Alright, the process has begun. Rake me off some coals off to the side. Got fire on the other side. Get these ribs a cooking. Finna start cutting up some taters and onions. I'm gonna try to let these go low and slow for a little while. So it'll take a while. Stay tuned, this is gonna be good. Ooh. Tell you what. Alright. This has been cooking for a little while too. Let me get you in frame. Ooh. This right here has been done. I cooked it for about an hour, just real low and slow. Wrecked a few coals up under there a little while. Get my move this pan out of the way. Put some coals under here. Caramelize this stuff a little bit. I got to build my fire back up and I'll be ready to eat. Alright, stoke it up a little bit. Finish it off. I'm ready to eat. I'm hungry. Alright, caramelize that up real good. Throw them on top of it. I am getting ready to eat, y'all. It's already firing back up. Build the fire back up a little bit. Alright, y'all. Yeah, that's what I was looking for right there, y'all. I'm just gonna throw these on top of there. It's hot by this fire, man. Woo! Yeah. Alright. I'm ready to eat, y'all. I'm gonna set this off to the side. Let it cool off a little bit. Build this fire back up. Still got me a big old pile of wood over here. Alright, let that cool off a little bit. Get this fire built back up. And I'm ready to eat, y'all. Y'all, that is so good right here. And tender. Some things are caramelized just right. That's good stuff, y'all. I'm gonna enjoy this. Stoke my fire back up. Just chilling out here in the woods, y'all. Can't beat it. Alright, y'all. Well, it is the next day. I done had all my coffee and everything. Nothing's going on this morning. I done packed up the underquilt. It worked real good. Which it didn't get but like 38 degrees last night. I got a little cold on top, but I put my toboggan on and threw this jacket over me, which I was in that big sleeping bag anyway, and that was about 4 o'clock this morning, so I got warm again real quick. Which the wind started blowing out of the north, which is that way. I should have put this end down on this tarp, but it did good too, which it didn't rain or nothing, but I should have put that down a little bit lower because the wind was coming this way. But I got a little bit cool about 4 o'clock this morning. But other than that, it's a good tarp, old free soldier. I just wanted to throw it up. I didn't really need it. But I'm getting everything. I done took my chainsaw back to the car. It worked real good. I had plenty of wood. I still got some left over here. I burnt some this morning. So yeah, that works good too. I'll just have to make sure I charge everything up before I leave next time. But I'm getting everything put together. Good chair too. All this gear I bought out here new is just trying out. But I'm gonna bring my black one next time. It's a little better chair. But there ain't nothing wrong with that. I like that side table. Got my radio on there, just sitting here chilling out. But yeah, that's about everything I bought new to try out. I'm gonna show y'all my truck here in a little while. I'm just kind of breaking it down and getting ready to go now. So alright, that was a success. And I still got one tarp I didn't get to check out yet, but I'm gonna try that out when I try out my tent. So that'll be another little review, which this ain't really a review, but I'm gonna set it up a little bit different. This thing's got 19 tie-up points. You can put it up all kind of different ways. But yep, it's a good tarp. I believe it's gonna be a good one. I'll get back with y'all later. I'm just packing it up, getting ready to go.